Do you want to feel like Spider-Man? Do you want to be Spider-Man? Well, stay tuned to find out how good the Zentai Zone Homecoming Spider-Man version 2 with all the bells and whistles really is. Hi, Tracy here from Astrocyte Cosplay. We are beginner cosplayers who want to share reviews, tutorials and tips to either help you get into cosplay or help you level up your cosplays. If this interests you, hit that subscribe button. In this video, we'll be reviewing the Zentai Zone Spider-Man Homecoming version 2 cosplay suit. This was based on the one that was featured in Marvel's Spider-Man Homecoming movie. This was our first purchase from Zentai Zone and our first Spider-Man suit. We purchased this suit with all the bells and whistles. It comes with the Kung Fu shoes, the super lycra, the puff painted webs, the raised emblems, and because it is version 2, it has the leather detail on it. We also purchased the Spider-Man Civil War magnetic face shell with lenses. This was the version 2. The quality of this suit is amazing. The super lycra is very thick compared to other suits that we have seen. The printed details and the color are very vibrant. It's a pretty good replication of the one that's shown in the movie. Version 2 comes with these leather sections that add a little bit more detail and depth to the suit. It can get quite hot in the suit, especially in summer in Australia, but compared to the leather Ant-Man and the Wasp suits that we purchased, this one is quite breathable. It's super stretchy being lycra, so you can definitely get down and do those Spidey poses. There is a small amount of whiteout in the knees and the ankles when you do stretch the fabric, but we haven't found that to be too much of a problem. The zippers are high quality. We haven't had any issues with them so far, and we have had this suit for over a year now. We got the U-shaped zipper in the back, which is a must if you want the raised emblems, as you wouldn't be able to have the zipper straight down the back. The only issue with the U-shaped zipper is it's very difficult to get on by yourself. You will need somebody to help you as it goes down the sides and around the bottom and up the back. One thing we missed with this suit was getting the invisible zippers in the forearms. We would do this next time so that you're able to get your arm out and use your phone, etc. We purchased the suit with the raised emblem, so it comes with a rubber Spider-Man emblem on the front as well as another Spider-Man emblem on the back. Now this does make the suit a little bit hotter and not as breathable. The only other thing was we were a little bit disappointed as the puff paint had rubbed off onto this rubber emblem during transport. We added Kung Fu shoes and custom sizing to the suit. These are just like built-in shoes so that when you're walking, the fabric doesn't get damaged because they have built-in soles. These are quite challenging to get on, so just be patient. Once they are on, they are very comfortable. These fit Scott perfectly. We also added puff paint to the suit. Now this is quite an expensive addition to the suit, but it definitely adds a lot more depth and detail to the fabric and really makes it look much more like the real Spider-Man suit. Now we did provide custom sizing at checkout and this suit fits perfectly. We couldn't have asked for a better fit. The only tight section is around the wrist where it is leather, so it doesn't stretch as much as the rest of the fabric. Question for cosplayers: who's your favorite Spider-Man, either from the comics or the movies? Share with us below. As I mentioned, we purchased the Spider-Man Civil War magnetic face shell. We would have preferred a homecoming version, but that wasn't an option. This face shell is very sturdy. It comes with these magnetic lenses that just clip on and off very easily. Would have been good to have a few more magnets as it can bump off at sometimes. It does come with the holes in the face shell to give you a little bit more breathability. We did request that the eye holes be cut into the suit for us. Your peripheral vision with this is not very good, but it's just one of those things that you're going to have to get used to if you're going to be Spider-Man. Overall, the quality of this suit is amazing. You really will feel like Spider-Man wearing it. I know Scott does. The looking and the jaw-dropping of parents and kids alike when you're out doing an outdoor Photoshop, or the "hey Spideys," like there is no better feeling than that. Now this version of the suit with all the bells and whistles was quite expensive, but we were really glad that we added all the extra detail as it really makes the suit pop. We would highly recommend Zentai Zone and we would purchase them from them in the future. And we are actually looking at probably a Spider-Man 2099, Scarlet Spider and a Spider-Gwen down the track. The seller has been great to deal with, very quick on email communication, and we couldn't fault the custom sizing. It was very, very quick postage from China. Now go out and buy your own Spidey suit. Make sure you check out our other cosplay suit reviews by clicking on the playlist. If you found this review helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video, and remember to keep having fun doing the things you love. Bye.